adjust the microphone or camera. There we go, that's better. Hello everyone, it's about 1:20 on Monday the 19th. Not sure why I have this bluish tone in my office, but at any rate, I wanted to send you all a video introducing you to the class. First thing is be sure to take time to read the syllabus, because it does contain a lot of information, and it may answer a lot of questions that you may have already. You can, say I sent an email earlier today with a copy of the syllabus. You can also access it from the Blackboard page under Learning Modules, or Course Information. It's under either one of those. But I also sent it to you as a email attachment today, just to make things a little easier. First thing I want to talk about is the link, Interactive Live Discussions. There's some more detail in that on pages 4 and 5 in the syllabus. What I want to do is just to highlight for you the purpose of those. Those are really to give us an opportunity to visit more or less face-to-face once a week, so we can see each other, converse. And I would like to use this time for answering questions you have about the course, sharing thoughts or experiences you have with each other, and other things related to the class readings or the data assignment. We have 3 different time frames: Mondays from 1 to 2, Wednesdays from noon to 1, and Fridays from 11 to noon. You'll get an invite probably the previous week for all 3 of these times. You only have to participate in one of them, just one. If you want to be in all 3, that's fine, and you don't have to be in the same session week from week. If you want to do Wednesday one week and then Friday the following week because it fits with your schedule, perfectly all right. You don't have to let me know in advance. Just when you get the email, it'll tell you that you've been invited to a link, online discussion, and you'll just click accept or deny for the ones you want. You can click accept to all 3 and leave your windows open if you want to. Fine with me, whatever works for you. In terms of getting link, it's free for all TTU students. There's more information. I have the window open on my computer, that's why I'm pointing to it, on pages 4 and 5. And there's a link for the software download tab, and it tells you exactly how to download it. It's very, very simple. Preferably try and use this on a computer where you have a camera, that way we can see each other. But if you don't have a camera, just audio, that's fine as well. But if you have a computer with a camera, that would be ideal, so we can actually see each other. As I mentioned, a lot of detail in the syllabus, and as we begin next week, I'll probably start going into more detail about that, particularly the data assignment, the small study that we're going to do. I think was the title of it, Qualitative Research Report. There's already quite a bit in here in the syllabus in terms of an outline of what it'll look like, and I encourage you to follow the outline as closely as you possibly can. But we'll begin talking more in detail about that. And the class is structured in a way to provide you with the skills you need to complete this assignment as we go through the class. So as we go through the class and different drafts are due, we would already have covered by that time the information you'd need to complete that part of the draft. And keep in mind, all these drafts, the due dates, I will return those back to you within a week with written feedback. The idea is to provide you with formative feedback as you go through the process, rather than just having you do an assignment and hope you get it right at the end. That's not good pedagogy. So you'll get feedback from each of the drafts you submit. Draft 1, which is a week 6, and Draft 2, which is due week 11. And as I said, the class is structured in such a way to provide you with the skills we need as we go through meeting each of these deadlines for the draft. I think at this point the best thing we can do is read the syllabus and be prepared for next week. There's also a link in the syllabus for supplemental readings. That goes to my, if you hear this little sound, it's me working the mouse here. That goes to my COE page. All of the supplemental readings that we use, those that are not book chapters, you will find on the supplemental readings page. And I've gone through, I'm pretty sure all of those are working. If anything isn't working, I think I have enough time to find a copy and get it posted. But I'm pretty sure all the links of that are operational. I've checked all the video links for the website. Those are up too. And I think that's about the most important things I wanted to update you on. Let's see, I hope I'll see you all either Wednesday or Friday. I understand that because we didn't have class Monday and some of you may not have as free a schedule as you want. If you can't be online this week, that's perfectly all right because we only had 2 of the 3 meetings available to us. Hopefully next week we'll all be able to get in there at some time or another. I think that's about all I wanted to say. If you have any questions, easiest way to reach me is through phone or email, and use my office email rather than Blackboard. I typically check Blackboard daily, but it's not always the fastest way to send and receive emails. So if you have a question, easiest way to reach me is through my office email, lee.doomer@ttu.edu. I think that's about all I wanted to say. I look forward to the semester, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.